So guys, this video is all about how to make a wig by yourself, DIY. So this hair here, there are 3 bundles of it. So I'm making the hair for my friend. She has been using the hair, but it's not in form of wig, so she decided to treat it and then turn it into a wig. So I'm done treating it, so I want to show you guys how to form it into a wig. But before you do this, let me show you the things that you need for this video. So guys, you need the hair, the closure, wig cap, needle, T-pin. Sure, you need a scissors, the thread. You also need a dummy head. So first of all, the first thing I do is to fix the closure. I'm going to lay the closure and still secure it with the pin. So I'm going to start from here. Then at this point, I'm going to knot it. So I'm going to continue like this all the way down. So as I've gotten to this end, I like to get another needle while I've chopped this to do this side. So let's start again. So let's start fixing the bundle. Since we're done with the closure, we have to give it space here. So I'm going to take it all the way up from here. Beginner friendly, so I'm going to take it all the way around how I'll fix it, and then I'll pin it right there. It's going to be faster and easier for you too. So let's clip it. Cut the thread, I'm going to still knot the thread again twice.